Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hello ForexMilitia, here we are with the Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week, and we are starting off with the Kiwi from September 11th to October the 5th, and the win rate is 88%. Okay, next is the stock, which is Boeing, bullish Boeing, alright, and the win rate on that is 85%, 85.71, and the probability is medium. And then the futures pick of the week has an 86% win rate, and the probability is high, and it is a bearish Euro FX, September the 14th to October the 12th. Alright, so now that we have those, let's go look at what that looks like on the chart. And the first one is the Kiwi, which is bearish, and as you can see, we already had some trades that basically were opened and closed, and we are actually in the middle of a trade that did not set up properly for me on the Kiwi, but it got extended out. This is close 1, this is close 2. So I'm going to stick with this trade and see if it pulls back some and we get a trade going down. Okay. Next is Boeing. And Boeing is bullish. It's bullish. Right now it's in a bearish sentiment bias. I'm sorry. Bearish bias. And I would be looking for it to actually close above this line here, which is the 250 line, and possibly get a pullback. I don't want to take a breakout. Don't really want to take a breakout, but I could take half of the position on a breakout, at least of these highs right here. Okay, and then the Forex. Stay on that. And the Forex, the Euro, which is this, and this is bearish. So what I would be looking for is most likely a pullback up into this area. This is actually a bearish order block right here. But if that is there, I would be then looking for it to move up, either back up into here or back up into here, and that would be very nice, a very nice trade to the downside if it does that within this time window, this time window. Okay, so with that, let's get on to the reviews for the prior picks. And I took out a lot of trades that basically, let's go to here. I am basically flat right now. I took out a couple of trades that were bad. That's the Aussie CAD. I had a dollar trade and a Dow Jones trade that went very well, and my Swissy trade went all the way to profit. So now we are at 139. I believe the highest that we were at was at 142. So we're about 3,000 off of the high. So let's keep tracking forward and continue to grow this account. And so with that, let's wait before I actually leave this. Let's look at some of the trades, the prior setups. So let me shrink that down. And we had a trade on CVSX. I think I went over this already, but let's go over it again. Okay, so that's out of the time frame, so I'll take that off. See, Goldman Sachs is coming into here with a short. Okay, that one's still on deck. And then this Merck basically is through, and Microsoft is through. And it did go up, but it didn't set up properly, so that was not a trade. So that one's through. Nike is supposed to go long. So if I see a setup, maybe if I see a breakout of this high right here, I'll take it going higher into this time frame. So I'll wait for that. And let's see. On gasoline, this is supposed to go higher. This is a bearish order block to go lower, but very interesting. That looks like that should go higher. Is there any divergence? So I'll look to see if there's, well, actually I can't trade it, but I'll follow it. And we'll follow it and see where it actually goes. This one is going lower. This is actually a good trade on the Swissy to go lower. So that's a good trade. That was good. And the yen was supposed to rally, but it did not, so that ended with a loss. So I'm going to take that off. And then the NASDAQ was supposed to go long, but it fell. Okay, and I'm going to take that one off. Let me put the euro on. Okay, and then natural gas. I believe that one. Okay, that one passed also. All right, and that was supposed to be a bearish trade, but it went higher. So the bearish is actually coming in after this window. As you can see here, there's some divergence. So most likely it traded back down into this area here. On the CAD, that one was bearish. That actually did set up, and I believe I took a little bit off of that trade. Let's see, the Euro CAD, that trade was supposed to go long. That one's over. The Euro Swissy is over also, and the Euro Pound is over, and the Euro itself is supposed to go long, but as you can see, it's been falling, so that's still mid-trade. The Pound Yen is off. That one's done. We are still in the Kiwi. We are looking for that to go short. This trade, the dollar Swissy is finished, but there is about to have another trade that's supposed to open on September the 7th. Excuse me. And we have another trade over here on the dollar yen that is supposed to open up. But I would look for this to pull back before I take it. I don't want to take anything going into a rally. So, okay, that's about it for what is setting up. And so with that, knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any questions. And so this is Parsival signing out.